Audio video test 1 2 3. Audio video test 1 2 3. This is what the audio would sound like and the video would look like. I am currently shooting at 4K 30 frames per second with image stabilization on. The camera is about a foot or so away from my mouth. I am just walking normally, nothing special. I do have the camera connected via Wi-Fi to the app on my phone, and the image stabilization looks really good. It is a dreary day out here, a little snowy as you can see. But the motions are very smooth.